Let's talk about the Evo38, a car that tips its hat to the legendary Lancia WRC, a vehicle that sadly never made it into production. This vehicle is a nod to what could have been the next step after the Lancia WRC, which was the final car with rear-wheel drive to clinch the WRC title in 1983. It was designed to step up the game with all-wheel drive and more power to compete against the Audi Quattro S1, but it remained a dream, with the Delta S4 taking the WRC's place instead. Despite rumors of a prototype, the WRC was never released. Kimera is stepping in to rewrite this chapter with the Evo38. Building on the success of the Kimera Evo37 released in 2021, the Evo38 boosts its game with all-wheel drive and an additional 100 horsepower thanks to a larger turbocharger and updated hardware. This machine boasts nearly 600 horsepower, channeled through a 6-speed manual gearbox that's been tweaked for snappier gear changes. The creators have smartly used carbon fiber and titanium to keep the car's weight down, despite the added all-wheel drive system. It tips the scales at around 2,425 pounds, making it comparable in weight to a Mazda MX-5 Miata RF or an Alpine A110S. This version also introduces an electro-hydraulic differential, giving the driver the ability to adjust the power distribution to the wheels right from the cockpit. The suspension system has seen upgrades from the WRC, featuring electronically controlled shock absorbers and a lift system for added convenience. The heart of the Kimera Evo37 was a 2.1-liter engine crafted by Italtecnica, refined with insights from Lancia's own Claudio Lombardi. The Evo38 is expected to come with an option for an electronically controlled sequential gearbox. Kimera has plans to showcase the Evo38 at the Geneva Motor Show next week, with production of 38 units to follow later this year. Though the price tag is under wraps, the Evo37's pricing may give us a hint. 37 units were sold at €480,000 each, roughly translating to $520,000 today. On a forward-looking note, Kimera has teased a third model on their website, complete with a countdown to its unveiling in 120 days, setting the stage for June 22, 2024.